Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best rotary tools you can buy right now. Whether you're into DIY, home repairs, or crafts, these tools are must-haves. We've picked the best options based on performance, price, and real user reviews, so you don't have to waste time searching. All product links are in the description box below, so feel free to check them out anytime. Let's get started. Number 5. Goksui Rotary Tool Kit. The Goksui Rotary Tool Kit is a smart choice for people who enjoy DIY crafts. It comes with 140 useful parts and tools. This set is great for cutting, sanding, polishing, and more. It runs on 110 volts and plugs into a wall for steady power. One of the best features is the Multi-Pro keyless chuck. You can change tool bits fast and easily. It fits different sizes, from 1/64 to 1/8. Just remember to tighten it with the included spanner. This makes your work smoother and saves time. The flexible shaft helps you hold it like a pen. This is perfect for small, detailed work. The cover shield keeps you safe while grinding or cutting. It also includes a drill guide, diamond cutting wheel, and extra carbon brushes, so you won't need to buy more right away. You can control the speed too. There are 5 speed settings from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. This helps you work with wood, glass, metal, or plastic. The tool is lightweight and quiet, so it's easy to use for long periods. This kit is ideal for home projects and crafting. Whether you're sanding furniture, engraving glass, or fixing things around the house, it works well. It's small but powerful and helps you do neat, precise work. It also makes a great gift. The case is sturdy, keeps tools organized, and is easy to carry. It's a thoughtful present for dads, students, or anyone who enjoys creating things by hand. The Goksui Rotary Tool Kit G4007 is a useful and affordable tool. If you like building or fixing things, this set is a great addition to your toolbox. Number 4. Dremel Rotary Tool Kit. The Dremel 8240-5 Rotary Tool Kit is a powerful cordless tool made for home and craft projects. It runs on a 12V lithium-ion battery that delivers high speed and strength. The battery lasts long and works well for tough jobs. This tool is compact, lightweight, and easy to hold. It has a 360-degree comfort grip, so you can work longer without hand pain. The speed range goes from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, giving you full control for different tasks. You can use this tool for cutting, sanding, grinding, or sharpening. It works with all Dremel accessories, so it's very flexible. The easy twist nose cap lets you change bits fast, no wrench needed. A smart LED light shows how much battery life is left. This helps you plan ahead and avoid sudden stops. It also has vents that keep it cool and quiet while working. The kit includes the Dremel 8240 tool, a 2Ah battery, a charger, 5 accessories, a wrench, and a fabric carry bag. Everything fits neatly in the bag, so it's easy to take with you or store away. The Dremel 8240-5 is a great choice for anyone who wants cord-like power without the cord. It's made for comfort, power, and ease of use. Whether you're fixing things or making crafts, this tool gets the job done. Number 3. Fantic F2 Master Mini Rotary Tool. The Fantic F2 Master is a cordless rotary tool made for DIY lovers. It runs on a 4V battery and is great for sanding, drilling, carving, and polishing. With a top speed of 25,000 RPM, it offers strong power and smooth control. This tool uses a Neopulse brushless motor, which cuts noise by 30% and keeps the tool cooler. You can choose from 5 speed settings to match your task. It's perfect for detailed and careful work. The F2 Master comes with a smart Ravoster hub. It's a 360 degrees magnetic stand that holds 35 small accessories. Everything is well organized, so you won't lose parts or waste time looking for them. It's also super light, weighing just 0.22 pounds. The strong aluminum case pops open with one click, making it easy to grab the tool and start working. It won't rust and is made to last. This tool looks sleek and works well. The speed control button is smooth and easy to use. The tool is also dust-proof and waterproof, so it stays clean. A bright LED screen shows your speed setting clearly. Charging is fast and simple with a USB-C port. It charges in just 60 minutes. A rear light turns red when the battery is low. A front LED work light helps you see small details while you work. The Fantic F2 Master is small, stylish, and full of features. Whether you are crafting at home or working on the go, this tool gives you power and precision in a pocket-sized design. Number 2. Phalanx 180W Rotary Tool Kit. The Phalanx 180W Rotary Tool Kit is great for anyone who loves to create. It has a strong 180-watt motor and runs at 8,000 to 32,000 RPM. With 6 speed levels, you can match the power to your task easily. This tool is perfect for cutting, sanding, grinding, carving, drilling, and polishing. It comes with a flexible shaft that feels like holding a pen. This helps you work on small, detailed areas with better control. The kit includes 139 accessories and works with many collet sizes: 1/8 inch, 1/16 inch, 3/32 inch, and 3/25 inch. That means it fits many types of bits for all your crafting or repair needs. Just remember to tighten the chuck with the included spanner before use. The tool is also made to last. It has cooling vents that keep the motor from overheating. It makes less noise and comes with a smart gear blocker to stop accidental speed changes. This rotary tool is both strong and safe. The handle is easy to grip, so your hand won't get tired. It's great for both beginners and pros. Whether you're fixing things or making art, this tool helps you do it right. The kit includes the rotary tool, 139 parts, a storage box, and a 16-page manual. It also comes with helpful customer service. If you enjoy DIY or want a thoughtful gift, the Phalanx Rotary Tool Kit is a smart pick. Number 1. Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. The clear winner for today is Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. The Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is a great tool for small DIY projects. It runs on a 3.7V battery and includes 61 useful accessories. This set is perfect for sanding, polishing, carving, drilling, and engraving. With 5 speed settings, from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, you can match the speed to your task. Beginners will like how easy it is to control. You can start slow and adjust as needed for better results. This tool is lightweight and compact, like holding a pen. It's made for comfort and control, especially during fine detail work. It's not for heavy-duty jobs, but it's great for resin art, jewelry, and light crafts. Charging is quick with the USB port. One full charge gives you up to 200 minutes of use. The tool has a light indicator that turns green when fully charged, so you always know when it's ready. A built-in LED light helps you see clearly in dark spots. This makes your work easier and more accurate, even in tricky spaces. The tool also runs quietly, so it's pleasant to use. The Hardell Mini Rotary Tool gives you power, precision, and portability. It's great for crafters, hobbyists, and beginners. If you enjoy making things by hand, this tool is a smart and handy choice.